To prevent the helicopter from sinking, floats will be deployed. If in danger of capsizing or submerging, deploy your emergency breathing system. Remove your emergency breathing system mouthpiece to start using it, and place the nose clip on your nose. If you're in water and your mouthpiece has water in it, use the purge button on the front to remove it. When deploying the life rafts, always follow the guidance from your crew. When clear of the aircraft, remove your emergency breathing system mouthpiece before inflating the life jacket. Pull the life jacket's inflation toggle for automatic inflation. You'll be able to adjust the pressure in the life jacket buoyancy chamber by pressing the valve at the top of the mouthpiece tube. If the life jacket fails to inflate, open the cover manually by undoing the zipper and inflating the life jacket by blowing air into the inflation tube. The Etso light and PLB will activate automatically. There is also a whistle on the life jacket. This will help you to attract attention to your location. Attached to the life jacket is a buddy line with a toggle. Use this to connect to others in the water. Follow the edge of the life jacket buoyancy chamber to locate the activation taps for the spray hood. Pull it all the way down over the buoyancy chamber.